Hi beauties! So in today's video, I am going to be sharing my winter skincare routine. I'm really excited about this one because I normally don't switch out my skincare routine this drastically, but I think since becoming pregnant, my skin just overall has been more sensitive to the weather, and since it's winter, I've been having really dry skin. So today I'm going to share what I've been doing to keep my skin hydrated during this weather, and I'm also really excited to be partnering up with Estee Lauder and the new Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment Serum, which I will be discussing a little bit more throughout the video. So the skincare routine does include more hydrating formulas, and I would also recommend drinking a lot more water than usual. I feel like since becoming pregnant, my body absorbs all the water and even all the products that I apply topically on my skin. So to start off with the cleanser, I like to switch to a cream-based or an oil-based cleanser during the winter time because it's just more hydrating and soothing on the skin. This one by DHC is one of my favorites because it's an all-in-one. So it breaks down all of the makeup, waterproof, sunscreen, the grime, pollution throughout the day. So you don't have to do like a cold cream or an eye makeup remover. This is gonna break down absolutely everything and then also cleanse your face at the same time without stripping away the natural oils. It's really simple to use as well. All you do is apply a few pumps of this oil onto your dry hands, and you just massage your hands a little bit like this, just rub them together, and then you go directly onto the skin, and it's gonna break down absolutely everything, including waterproof mascara. I also wanted to mention it contains organic olive oil as one of the key ingredients, which is a really rich antioxidant, and it helps maintain the skin's moisture barrier, and it also helps fight damage caused by free radicals without clogging your pores. It also does contain vitamin E as another key ingredient, which pretty much does the same thing. It protects the skin against any free radical damage. So now to remove it, all I simply do is actually use an 100% organic muslin cloth. It's one of my favorite skincare tools to use as well because during the winter time, I don't like to use any abrasive or coarse exfoliants on the skin, and the muslin cloth, it's not only going to remove all of the oil, but it's also going to gently exfoliate and lift away the dead skin cells on a daily basis, which is just going to give me beautiful glowing skin as well. And if you don't want to use a muslin cloth, a really great thing about this oil is that you can just rinse it off with lukewarm water and it's not going to leave like an oily residue. It's very simple to just rinse off. And the muslin cloth is also reusable every single time. You're going to use this for many years, so it's also really great for the environment. So as you can see, my skin still has a really nice glow. And if you touch it, it's still really nice and supple, which is really important for winter skincare. And that's why I love using the combination of the cleansing oil and this muslin cloth. After this, the next thing that I like to do is apply a serum on my face and neck, and sometimes the back of my hands, depending if I have some product left. This one's by Estee Lauder. It's the Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment. It's a serum that contains ferment squared plus vitamin C, which are two key ingredients for my own skincare issues. Now, being Latina, I am just more prone to dark spots because I produce more melanin as a result to any type of skin injury, whether it be like a cut or if I'm picking a pimple or if it's sun damage. I just have a lot more sunspots, which has been my #1 skin issue that I have with my skin. So I was really excited about the vitamin C because it's an antioxidant, so it's going to protect my skin against free radical damage, but it also helps brighten up and even out the skin tone. So because of the vitamin C, it's going to help prevent the sunspots, but also fade out the ones that I have. It's super powerful because it's also fermented ingredients. So fermentation is a natural process where yeast produces enzymes. So just think about how grapes turn into wine. It's basically the same thing, it just makes things so much more powerful. So fermented yeast is very powerful because it can really help soothe the skin and just really even out your skin tone. So the way that I like to apply it is just apply some on my fingertips like this and just rub the fingertips together, and I just kind of like to press it onto my skin just to really get the serum all over my face, and I highly recommend that you guys include a serum like this one into your skincare routine, because the reason it's so important is because it's going to give you targeted benefits to your skin. So it's very, very potent. So if you have sunspots, just think about how the fermentation is just going to make things work so much more faster and more powerful. So it absorbs very rapidly onto the skin. Just gonna apply whatever's left on my neck. And then what I also like to do in the meantime with my serum is also do a lymphatic massage on my skin, because it just really helps depuff my skin and just makes things more comfortable on my face. So the lymphatic system is sitting right on top all over your body. So what I like to do is just gently run my fingers outward like this. Feels very, very nice. This is going to help drain the lymphatic system and just keep the fluid moving throughout your body. And then down on the neck. So after the serum, I like to mist my face with a cooling and hydrating facial mist. I've really been into a lot of DIYs, like my own natural products at home as well. So I actually made this hydrating and cooling mist out of cucumber extract, so the juice from a cucumber, a little bit of lemon juice, rose water, and aloe vera. The aloe vera is really important because that's an agent that's actually going to retain moisture, because if not, the water is just going to evaporate and leave your skin more dry. So it's really important to add something like aloe vera in there. So it smells really good. I know exactly what it has in here, and I'm just going to mist my face. I also like to keep it in the fridge because it's so soothing. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like cucumber. And then next I'm going to apply my actual moisturizer. This is by a brand called Blvd. It's the Rare Rose Cream. It's going to hydrate, restore, and nourish my skin. And since my skin right now is nice and damp, the moisturizer is going to absorb onto my skin a lot easier. I like to only do like a thin layer. That's all you need. Sometimes we have this misconception that we need to layer on like a really thick layer of moisturizer to really get the benefits of hydration. But honestly, all you need is whatever's actually going to absorb onto the skin, and all you need is a very thin layer of that. And now I have really nice, dewy, supple, glowing skin. If you live in an area where there's a lot of snow, you really want to make sure that you apply your sunscreen, even if it's an overcast day, because the UV rays do penetrate through the clouds and then they reflect off the white snow and onto your skin, and they're so much more powerful, which creates a lot more sun damage. So an SPF is really important any time of the day, rain or shine or clouds, it doesn't matter. SPF all the way, it's a very important step. So since I'm going to be staying indoors today, I'm not going to apply it, so I'm just going to leave my skin as it is today. But I am going to finish off with lip care because I've been having really chapped lips. So I came across this brand. It was actually a gift, and it's by a collaboration from Blvd Cosmetics and Besitos. So it's organic, homemade, very, very nice formula, and it smells delicious. I'm going to apply this all over my lips to just lift away the dead skin cells from my lips because they're so dry. And then I'm going to top it off with the Mango Cocoa Tinted Lip Balm just to hydrate the lips. And that's pretty much it, guys. After this, I usually do my makeup if I applied the sunscreen and I am gonna go outdoors. I also like to recommend a facial mist throughout the day to just kind of rehydrate the skin from the harsh weather. This cucumber recipe here that I have is a really great recipe. Also, if your skin is feeling irritated because of the harsh conditions of winter, if you do live somewhere where winter really takes a toll on your skin and it's just more than just dry skin, aloe vera is going to really soothe the skin. The cucumber is cooling, the rose water is hydrating, and the lemon juice is the vitamin C, which is an antioxidant to also help the skin just look a little bit more brighter. So I like to mist this just throughout the day, or you can also do another hydrating mist that I really love. This one's also by the brand Blvd, which is the same brand from the moisturizer, and it's a lavender mist, and it's a hydrating mist that you can just apply throughout the day. You can even mist your pillows with this stuff, and it's really nice. And that's pretty much it. it. This is how I maintain my skin moisturized and protected from the sun and even and beautiful and glowing all throughout winter, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really want to thank Estee Lauder for partnering up with me once again. I was really excited for the collaboration with their Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave me a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back at you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.